I have my tools on the wall. Some of them are hanging up on the ceiling. And I got here is a garden and tool organizer, indoor, outdoor, that you could put up on the wall very easily and slidable. So let's open this up, show you what you get inside. We'll do our best to show an install. Everything laid out, nicely wrapped up, ready to display. These are the three pieces that will go on the wall. This piece is for the left side. The caps here, they do come out and they are removable. And for one of the reasons why I am removing this cap is to demonstrate for my needs, is taking the one that is the right piece, and I am going to close up the end and make a short piece. And this short piece will allow me to go hang up something really small, like so, in my garage, right over here. I could put a level on and make this nice and level. This is my guess. And place on the levels, the handles of choices. We have winter. We have spades and ice choppers. They fit nicely on the product, as well as over here, like so. I have a shovel that has a handle and fits beautifully indeed. Please make sure that when you put your items on that they will sit correctly, that they won't cause any damage. You could put additional items on the shelf like so. They got little teeth marks on this shovel and they hold nicely in place. For a garden, a shed area, outdoors, wherever you can put your product, we're going to install the other ones somewhere else where it's not in our walking way. But this demonstrates to you how easily it is to grab a tool and go out there and use it. Take the left piece, the center piece, and the right piece, and now you got yourself 48 inches of item. I have the first bracket, the center bracket, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up. Then we take the next piece, we align it up. You're going to do the same thing for the other side. You're going to slide it in the best you can. When you placed in all your screws and you're happy with your product, let's start hanging. You place on your hanger. If you don't like it there, you can put it there. And they're slidable and they are not lockable into place. So they go in one way and one way only. Please cut the tie wraps of each one, slide out and place on and discard the tie wrap. This is the garden and tool organizer. It will fit all your tools that you have. So I have my winter shovel. Now I have a place to put it right over here. And if I don't want all these brackets, they do come off and they do go on, and they are adjustable indeed. They go anywhere possible. Now it will hold a broom, a shovel, a car wash stick, anything imaginable. You could take your shovel if you like, and you want to take a shovel and add additional weight to the unit, you can do so. And you have to move some of the brackets if they are in the way, and there they go. So I hope this product may be right for you, for your garage, your shed, your workplace, somewhere where you need to organize your tools, where you can grab your shovel, like so, and head on out, and you know what? Take care of business. So I hope this product, for what you're looking for, will work with your garage. Have a great day and enjoy your product.